Hello, today we're going to be looking at the 2 tips Anatomy recently added. One is for giving, where the church has got a simplified way of giving, and the other one is for the check-in for online services or whatever it may be. You've got the option of the check-in system that you can use for all your services or all your meetings. So the first thing we're going to start with the check-in. So what we do is we go to the meetings, and then you go to calendar, and if you're like me, you've got a meeting already created, then you will go to your meeting, and then you'll see there's a tab that says links. So you go into that, and please make sure that you actually read what it says there, because this link has to be sent via Anatomy. So then I copy this link and then I send it. So in this case, for today's purposes, I will send it to myself. Then I'll send it via email. Subject will be church online, and then send. The message could be whatever you want to put in there, and your subject and your title could be whatever you have in mind. So I'm just simplifying it for today's purposes. And then I will have checked my emails, and then I will receive the link. And as a person who gets the link, what they do is they follow that link, and it will show you that you have been checked into that service meeting that you're in for that meeting the church is hosting. And then now we're going to look at the giving. So the giving is very simple. So all you have to do is the church will need to have a PayFast account. So if you've got one and you've never integrated it with Anatomy, please send us an email and we can help you out. As long as you've got a PayFast account existing, we will just link the two so you are able to use it for giving in Anatomy. So all you have to do is just remember the URL that the church was given when we signed up with Anatomy. So in our case, for example, with Anatomy, it will be demo.anatomy.org.za. So that is our URL. So when we do that for giving, it will be, I will put it in, it's demo.anatomy.org.za/give/ and then you enter, and then it will show you the church one. So this is where you are, and then you decide if the church has multiple campuses, then you decide which campus you're part of and what kind of giving are you doing, and then you put in your reference and your amount, and that's that. So it's as simple as that. Anyone can do it. You can send the link to everyone in the church to be able to start giving or to continue giving. It's all up to you. Enjoy!